Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add the color pixel effect to your clips in CapCut. So this effect is pretty new to CapCut and you can find it under the video effect. So first, after you add the clips, go to the video effects. You can find it on the trending color pixel, but if you want to find the category, it's under the scanning category. Okay, so just download the effect first. Click on the arrow down and click on the plus icon to apply it to the clips. Okay, so when you do that, the effect will be applied like this. Okay, it will have a color pixel effect. If you want to adjust it more, you can adjust in here. You can adjust the atmosphere, the blur, the color. You can change the color and adjust the glow. You can also adjust the amount. Okay, so when you're done and just like that, I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you guys. So don't forget to click like, thanks, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.